Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be opening this Pokemon packet and this Pokemon packet. I'm pretty sure they're the same ones as last time I opened. And I'm recording with my brother, and he's going to be opening some Pokemon packets.
Hi guys, I'm going to be opening up these ones. And yeah, we're just going to do them together. Right, so you open up your cards on your iPad, and I guess I'll open up mine on mine.
So I'm going to start with this one.
Brianna, stop. You know you're going to be on YouTube so everyone can see you and hear. Well, not really see.
Let's get this boy open.
Brianna, can you please?
A poopy pants.
Brianna, stop.
I'm a poopy pants.
Right, so we're doing this one
one
first.
card back.
Alright.
Poopy pants.
Brianna, stop. So first we got this one, pretty good.
So
Alright.
I got the...
Ooh, this is pretty good. Oh yeah, that's super nice.
Wait, let's get over to my brother. That is...
Look what I got.
Worth.
That is pretty good.
That's worth a lot, I think.
Okay.
I think so. Now we're going to get to my first pack.
Let's see him.
So
Over there.
we're going to get that first. As the first one.
Alright, that's good.
And then we got this as our second one.
Okay.
And then this is our third.
Brianna, don't touch
Wait, no,
it.
second, sorry. Yeah, this one as our
Ooh,
third.
can you see at the back what he's got? Ooh. Brianna!
Fourth.
Okay, still the rubber.
And we got a
Ooh,
fifth.
V! How
I've got a
come
V.
you get all the Vs?
I don't
I
know.
mean, at least I got this pretty cool card. My first good card. It's scratchy. It's a scratchy.
No way.
Yeah, you can feel it. Can you hear that?
Don't scratch it too much because it
Yes.
can lose its scratch.
This is scratchy. Wow.
Now,
Oh my god.
Now he's going to open up his last packet.
Alright. Oh my god. There. Alright.
I'm pretty sure it's two back. Code card.
Code card or something like that. I don't know. There's no code on there. Oh. Well, we've got this one. So Braden, got this one.
I got it.
There. Got this one. Can you?
Yep.
Alright. This one. Okay, an energy.
Not bad.
Alright. Okay. Ooh, the shiny. Pretty good. Nice. And ooh. Oh, my
got a
first
V.
V. Finally, I got a
what
V.
we got here.
Right. There's another one. There's another one. A Pokeball. I forgot. I don't know what kind of Pokeball that is, but pretty good.
Now we're going to be opening...
Wait, Braden, is this yours? Is this yours?
No, it's yours.
Oh, okay. Okay, so these are mine.
And then we're going to be opening the... Wait. We're going to be opening the last pack. Which is... Wait, let me get back.
Wait, hold on.
So we're going to be open... Wait, now I need to adjust this.
These
So
are
now we're going to be opening up this pack. So... Wait, let me just open it here. There's a little tear thing up there.
Open! There we go.
There we go.
Alright.
So for our first card, we've got this. Second card, we've got this. Wait, there we go. Right.
Yep.
Third,
That's a pretty cool one.
fourth, this. Oh,
Ooh, that's
this for our regular rare.
That's a pretty cool one.
Mm.
Alright. What are the good ones that you've got?
So I've
Show
got
the camera.
this one and
These were the
this
good
one.
ones.
Where are we? There we are.
Alright.
And
Alright, that's about it, I guess. Just about it, yep. Yeah, there's this other shiny one as well. Right, so let me check through the ones that I've got. Yeah, it looks like the good ones that I've got were these ones.
the good ones that my brother got were these ones.
Oh, hold on. Oh my god. Let me put these two down. So the two shinies.
Got that.
And then the V and the Scratchy. Oh, that's pretty
That
good.
scratching is really rare, I think.
Yeah, it's full art as well because you can see like it covers the
It's
whole entire
really
thing.
rare.
Yeah, Scratchy full art. Oh my god. Alright. And I guess that's about it. So, see ya, guys.
Bye.